Welcome. The meta title is not directly displayed on your website. It is the blue title that is displayed in the search engine results when a user enters a query in a search engine. It is used as a ranking factor, and so it should contain your most important keywords and be consistent with the content of your page. Your meta title should not be a list of keywords. It has to make sense to the reader. Each meta title should be unique and can also use calls to action to entice visitors to click on your website. Log into your WordPress account as usual to get to the dashboard shown here. Click on Settings in the left menu. Insert your newly optimized title in the Site Title field. This should be a short title. We will use our company name. Now, insert a brief title explaining what your site is about in the tagline field. Together, the site title and tagline will make up your new meta title and should contain the 3 most important keywords and not exceed the character limit. If you are managing a locally operating company, then you should also include the city name in the title once. The title is displayed in the search engine results. It should therefore meaningfully reflect the content of your website and encourage search engine users to access your website. When finished, click on Save Changes. Next, hover over All in One SEO in the left menu and then click on Search Appearance in the submenu. Now in the Site Title field, you need to select the variables you would like to use for your site title. We will select Site Title, Separator, and then Tagline. Optionally, you can view and add the different variables available by clicking on View All Tags. If you add different variables, you must go back to the Settings section to add information to any new variable selected. When finished, click on Save Changes. Congrats! You've successfully completed this task. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, visit rankingcoach.com to see how we can help your business's online presence.